Hey guys, good morning. Hope you're doing really well. Pretty much I posted a couple days ago, but I hadn't posted for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. It's because I'm currently in Atlanta. So now I currently have 4 clients in Atlanta. So I've been really trying to handle and take care of the design things. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a high-rise that I'm currently working on designing. It's a joint effort because my client, he's an investor, so he's accustomed to doing like renovations and things of that nature, but I'm helping to essentially like piece everything together with decor, lighting, paint colors, and things of that nature. It's not going to be an overnight success story. Of course, I'm sure you guys know, due to COVID, things are just late, super delayed. So I was able to get a couple things that we can get now, but at the same time, I'm sure there's going to be some other things that are going to be 5-6 months wait on getting those items in. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the condo and how that looked, so that way you could at least see the before, and I'm gonna do my best to save all the images as the process continues on. All right, so let's go ahead and head inside. All right, you guys, here is the condo. Let me just say now that my client is an investor, and so he wanted to purchase this condo as is. I'm gonna take you around the entire space. The view is really nice, but I cannot get too close to the window. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, cause I'm a little scared, okay? I will say I'm really surprised how big the space is. But the people that were renting here prior did all this wallpaper, and it has to go down. But what I want to show you guys and mention really quickly too is when people don't take their time to do things professionally as possible, it ends up looking like this. I always like to see like when people move out how things look. But all of this is going to come down. Like I said, the kitchen is going to go white. The island is going to be changed up a little bit. Again, it's as is. So we have the first bedroom, we have the patio for outside, the kitchen area. We're already ordering pendants and lights. Flooring is pretty much selected. We have the mirror for here, the credenza that's going to be going here, another one that's going to be going here because we're needing a lot of storage. And so going into the secondary bedroom, right now it's a closet. We're going to repurpose all of the units, it's California closets, into the master. So there is a bathroom here that's gonna get renoed, and then the master. Y'all don't want to know what happened in here, but I'm sure y'all can use your imagination. Okay, so turning in here, you have the master bath, closet here, closet here. This closet we're going to turn into an office, so that way he can work. It's gonna look really good. I'm excited about that. And then the closet in the other space is gonna go in here. Again, flooring is gonna get redone. I think we're gonna be removing like the tile and doing some upgrades in here also, especially with the lighting. All right, so bathroom, changing out mirrors and lighting. Not sure if the cabinets are gonna be painted white, but possibly. Okay, leaving out. It's really big. I'm actually, again, like I said, quite surprised. It's a really great space. Coming out, going in here. Like I said, really excited. It's a great project. It's gonna look really good. I think you guys are gonna be excited about the furniture that's gonna be coming in, the lighting. The budget is really great. And so we're gonna be bringing in some pretty amazing pieces in here. Super excited. Did you notice you don't have a light in the living room? So that was pretty much the condo. I actually really do love it. I always thought condos were just like really small spaces, but like I said, he's buying the unit. He wanted to buy it as is. It's a great investment. Even if he decides to sell in the future, I can't tell you how much he would make, but he would still do really well purchasing it the way that he is. So not only am I fixing it, but I'm also learning a lot also, because I don't know, I think I'm a little interested in real estate. I think you guys probably have figured that out by now, that I'm always kind of looking up and figuring like different things out. So I definitely would like to see where that takes me in the future and stuff. And then, you know, with social media, I'm not saying that it's not guaranteed, but it's just like some days I don't necessarily want to record and share every single thing. Like, I don't know, I'm kind of scaling back a little bit, don't know why, but I don't know, we'll see. But the condo looks really good. I'm excited. I've already started looking at some stuff. Well, we have already been looking at some stuff. As of right now, we have the dining table, dining chairs, sectional, have to find a new rug, lighting for the island, lighting for the room, entryway console table. We definitely have the concept and the idea down for the island office you know, so it's coming together, and I think you guys are really gonna see a good transformation. One of the things that I'm gonna mention is it is gonna go light. Considering how much light is coming into the space, you can see how dark the condo is with that dark wallpaper. So once all that wallpaper go down, the walls are gonna get white, the cabinets are gonna go white, all of that, it's definitely going to start being a bit more reflective in this space. So I think it's good to see that too, because the thought process is windows equals light, but also colors on the wall can kind of contrast that quite a bit. So I'm excited. So I hope you guys like it, and you guys continue watching and seeing how everything kind of unfolds. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out, but you guys have a good day. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna drop down the young lady who did my hair. I actually got my hair done here in Atlanta. She did a really amazing job. Hopefully you guys can see it. I just wanted a break from having to do my hair. It's actually saved me 35 minutes in my morning routine. But anyway, you guys have a really great one.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion.
You guys, I want to show you this because I really love this. So essentially I have a client who wants to put carpet in the master, and so just kind of like, if you are looking to install, try to find something with a little bit of a design on it. That way it just looks nicer. And if you don't know this, there's also options for stain resistant. Also, if you can and it's in the budget, you want to look for Stain Master, and essentially what that means is it offers a longer lifetime, and also the cleaning of it, if you have pets or little ones with the crayons and things like that, you can have a company come in and clean it with ease. So those are two things I look for the stain master, or some sort of stain guard, or if possible some sort of design, some sort of texture on there, so it's not just your standard. Like, I'm gonna show you guys a bigger piece. Like, you see that it still gives a little bit of a design and effort. It's just not plain. I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly at some options really quickly. You see that? That way it's not just your standard rug. Again, this is another Stain Master carpet. But yeah, just want to show you guys that. Hardwood flooring, luxury vinyl over here. You guys can see the floor.